now we have to talk about
Indices.
exponents, right?
Sir.
Or indices, right? You know this? Exponent
Yes,
or
sir.
indices? Huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
What? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. A raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn, right? We are also having a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m, or a raised to the power m is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power minus m. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
And if minus 1 raised to the power n or minus a raised to the power n, then if n is equal to odd number, then product is, so product is negative, right? And if n is equal to even number, then product is
Positive.
pro, yeah, product is, did you make a note of it?
Yes, sir. Making.
You're writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
You have 40 question. Question number 40. Question number 40 is 3 bracket 2 raised to the power x plus 1 minus 3 2 raised to the power 2 x plus 2 is equal to plus 5 is equal to 0. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now 3 dot 2 raised to the power x plus 3 minus 2x.
So dot means decimal or
This, no, it's product, multiplication.
Oh, okay.
2x into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. Right? So how much you get? 3 into 2 raised to the power x minus 2, square of 2 is 4.
4.
4, 2 raised into 2 raised to the power x is equal to, sorry, plus 3 plus positive 3 plus positive 5 is equal to positive 8 is equal to 0. Right? If
Yes,
we
sir.
if we bring whole of this on the other side of equal, if we bring it here, so it becomes 8 is equal to 4 into 2 raised to the power x minus 3 into 2 raised to the power x. Right? Now it becomes 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 4 into, if you take 2x as a common, then it becomes 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is what? 1.
Yes, sir.
Right? So 1 is multiplied by 2, you get 2x. Right? So if bases are equal, powers are equal. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it means 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power x is equal to x is equal to 3. Is it correct?
So one.
Is it correct?
Uh,
You have done this?
yes, sir. First, correct.
You done this?
Yes, I have done.
Oh, very fast. Do the second.
40-second partner.
40-second part. Yeah.
Okay.
Second part.
Yes, sir.
Should I now?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what is, read the question.
3x
3 raised to the
3
power x.
raised to the power x
Yeah.
is equal to 9.3y.
Is equal to
9.3y
9 into 3y.
into 3y,
Yeah.
comma
Hmm.
8 into 2y
8 into 2y.
is equals to 4 raised to the power x.
4 raised to the power x. How to do this, man?
Sir, can you read the question that 9 into 3 raised to the
Okay,
power
okay,
y
okay,
it is,
okay.
or?
Just listen. 3 raised to the
Yes, sir.
power x is equal to 9 into 3y.
Yes, sir.
And here is 8 into 2y is equal to 4 raised to the power x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो ना ये पावर y लगा हुआ है, पावर में है y,
Yes, इस समय
पावर
वही
में
कह
है
रहा
y.
था.
हाँ
इस समय वही कह रहा था, y पावर में.
हाँ पावर में. By mistake I did. Okay. So what do you write? 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 5. Right? So bases are equal. Bases are equal. Powers are
Equal.
powers are equal. So it becomes x is equal to
सर
2y.
कॉमा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे.
You just listen me first. We done this, x is equal to 2y.
Yes sir.
Now we come to next. This 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power y is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 whole bracket raised to the power x. Right?
Yes sir.
Oh no. Sorry. Powers are added together. Right? I have done one step ahead. So 3x is equal to 3 raised to the power y plus 2. So we can write x is equal to y plus 2. So x minus y, yeah, you go let it go by this. X is equal to y plus 2, right? And then we have here 2 raised to the power.
2 raised to the power 3.
2 raised to the power 3 plus y plus होगा ये plus y is equal to 2 raised to the power 2x, right? So what we can do, we can write 3y, 3 plus y is equal to 2x. With reference to this, right? This
Yes
is
sir.
also applicable here. So that's why it is like this.
Yes sir.
So what is the value of x?
So y plus 2.
Y plus 2. So we write here 3 plus y is equal to 2 bracket y plus 2. So it becomes 3 plus y is equal to 2y plus 4. Right? Bring this
Yes sir.
4 on this side. So 3 minus 4 is equal to 2y minus y. So you get minus 1 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 1. And when y is equal to minus 1, then you can write, you can substitute the value here. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 becomes x is equal to 1. You get this?
Yes sir.
So can you check the values?
X is equals to 1.
And y?
Uh, 1 second sir. X is
Yes.
equals to 1 and y. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1.
You get it?
Yes sir.
When there is multiplication, when there is multiplication, then we will use the identity. We will use the identity am into an is equal to am plus n, right? So that's why we added them. Here also we did the same. Here we also did the same, right? By mistake I have done earlier too. That is not product. That is addition, right?
Yes sir.
So we done this. Question number
Yes, sir.
40.
42nd part done.
Now come to 38. You want to do 39? 39?
Wait, sir. Wait, I will. First, can I see, sir?
Definitely.
It's 3 plus. Yes, sir. Sir, can no, sir. 38, 38. Sorry,
Okay. Come to question
38,
number. Question
38.
number 39. What is that?
So 39
Yeah, that is 3 raised to the power x plus 1
is
is
equals to
equal
9.
to 9
9
raised
raised
to
to
the power
x
x
minus 2.
minus 2.
So
Great.
find the of 2 raised to the power 1 plus y. 1 plus x.
That we get later. First you solve here. 3 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 whole square raised to the power x minus 2. Right? So you can write 3x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2x minus 4. Right? Then what happens? Bases equal, bases equal, powers also
Adding
equal.
power also adding, na sir?
No, we will take x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. So minus 4 comes here, becomes plus 4, positive 4, and positive x comes here, it becomes negative x. Right? So 5 is equal to x. So x is equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking value of value of
Value of 2 raised to
2
the
raised
power
to the
1.
power 1 plus x.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you write here 2 bracket 1 plus 5. It becomes 2 raised to the power 6. It becomes 64.
Yes, sir.
Value is 64.
Sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You get it? Done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Question number 38.
Yes, sir.
That is 3 raised to the power 4x is equal to 81, means 3 raised to the power 4 bracket minus 1. Right? So you can write here 3 raised to the power 4x is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 4. Therefore, we can write 4x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 1. Right?
Yes, sir. The answer is -1. Sir, there will be no user where that pen has written.
Hmm?
The 38 question.
Hmm. No,
Sir,
this you get the value of x is -1, na?
yes, sir.
Now they are saying 10 whole power y is equal to 10 raised to the power -4. -4, sorry. Right? So y is equal to -4. You get this? There is
Yes,
written
sir.
0.000001, na?
Yes, sir.
No. There
Yes,
are
sir.
three
0,
digits, 0.001. So it becomes
0.00.
-3. So y is equal to -3. Getting? You get
Yes,
this?
sir.
Three digits are there, so we have taken -3. So y is equal to -3, and then we have to find out 2 raised to the
2
power
into
minus
6.
x into 16 raised to the power y.
Y.
Put 3. So y is -1, na?
Yes, sir.
So 2 raised to the power -1
Y
into
तो वो है ना 3.
2 raised
X
to
है ना
the
माइनस.
हाँ
तो y इज इक्वल टू -3 लिखा है ना हमने.
y is equal to हमें x लेना है ना, x is equal to -1.
Yes, sir.
First is 2 raised to the power -x. Then
Yes, sir.
we have to take 16y. So that is 16 means 2 raised to the power 4
Yes,
into
sir.
y is -3. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Hey my God, कितना हो गया? So this is plus. So 2 raised to the, so there will be 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to, sorry, into 2 raised to the power -12.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes
Sir, but minus
2 raised to the power 1 minus 12
12. Yes, sir.
becomes 2 raised to the power -11, or we can write 1 upon 2 raised to the power 11. What is your answer?
Sir, the answer is coming only 1.
Eh?
Wait. Question number 38.
Hmm?
Answer is coming, sir, 1.
What happens, man? Oh, this is, this is, here is written 10 is equal to 1 upon y. 1 upon y. Right? 1 upon y. So when we write 10 is equal to 1 upon y, then 1 upon y is equal to -3. Right? So you can write y is equal to 1 upon -3. Right? So when you write here 2 raised to the power 4 whole power, y is -1 upon 3. Right? Is it? So it will be -4 upon 3. Right? When it is -4 upon 3, then you get 2 raised to the power 3 minus 4 upon 3. So you get 2 raised to the power -1 upon 3. Is it? I wrote the correct, sir. There is written, problem यही है, कई सारे जो so many questions are there. So it is 1 upon y is equal to, there is given 0.001. Right? You check 38, you will get 10 raised to the power 1 upon y is equal to 0.001. So that will be -4. Right? That will be -4. So then it becomes -4. And you put
Sir,
the value in. Yeah?
we will not use 81 raised to the power -1 in this equation.
81, I directly wrote 3 raised to the power 4x.
Oh, okay.
I directly wrote down that. So this is, here it is coming 4, right? So it is 4 upon 4. It is 1. So we can write here 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 becomes 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Right? So we copied, something wrong. Some part of one question, some part of another question. And you are not concentrating also. Eh?
Sir, I have seen that, but I thought you were trying something different.
No, this value I can't make any difference. Nah? In any other thing I can make some other difference. But I am writing the wrong value. Nah? 10 raised to the power 1 upon y is equal to 0.00. 3 times 0 then 1. So 10 raised to the power -4 हो जाएगा ना. That's why it becomes 10 raised. So y is equal to
So question number 37, it is looking a bit complicated.
-1 upon 4. When it becomes -1 upon 4, then we go like this. Okay?
Yes, sir, noted.
So what you are saying?
Sir, noted, sir. Question number 37, it is looking a bit complicated.
Unless nothing is complicated, man. Let me think what I have done wrong first. Let me correct that self. That is more important. Right? minus minus plus. This is 4 and 4 is cancelled out. So plus 1 minus 1 and 0. Now it is okay. This is the value of y. 1 upon y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to 1 upon minus 4. Right? Done. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
What is next question you are saying?
Question number 37.
Okay. What is question number 37?
9 raised to the power n
9 raised to the power n
multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2
multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2,
multiplied by 3 raised to the power n
3 raised to the power
n
n. Okay.
minus bracket 20 minus 27 raised to the power n
27 raised to the power n
is
upon
equals to 3 raised to the power 3m
3 raised to the power 3m
into 2 raised to the power 3
into,
2 raised to the power 3
you write 8, is equal
is
to
equals to 1
how
upon
much?
27.
1 upon 3 raised to the
27.
power 3.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is what? This is, this can be written as 3 raised to the power 2,
Yes, sir.
3 raised to the power 2 whole power n. So we can write and add this. So 3 raised to the power 2n plus n plus 2 minus 3 raised to the power 3 whole power n, right? Upon 3 raised to the power 3m into 8 you bring on this side and 3 raised to the power 3, right? Now what you do, this is 3 raised to the power 3n, right? 3 raised to the power 3n plus 2 means you can write 3 raised to the power 2, right? This plus na can be written 3 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 3n upon 3 raised to the power m is equal to 8 upon 3 raised to the power 3. You take 3 raised to the power 3n as a common. So you get 3 raised to the power 3 is 9 minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power m. Oh, sorry. 3 raised to the power 3m. 3 raised to the power 3m is equal to 8 upon 3 raised to the power 3. Is it? So this 8 and 8 is gone. And you do cross multiplication. So you will get something like this, that 3 raised to the power 3m is equal to what? 3 raised to the power 3n into 3 raised to the power 3. Cross multiply. Right? So it is 3 raised to the power 3m is equal to 3 raised to the power 3n plus 3. Right? Now, bases equal, powers also equal. So you get how much? 3m is equal to 3n plus 3. What we have to do here? Okay, then whole equation multiplied by 1 upon 3. So you get m is equal to n plus 1. You get this? Where you gone, man?
Yes, sir.
You get this?
Yes, sir.
You get it? Okay. What is? There is no answer for this. We have to
Yes, sir.
prove this only. Right?
Yes, sir.
This type of question will definitely come in your exams. You must prepare yourself for this.
Okay, sir.
So now you practice more on this and come in the morning again.
Yes, sir.
Right now you do by your own
Yes, sir.
and then come in the morning.
In which time? What time, sorry?
What time you would like to come?
So 1.
Okay.
So
Okay.
1 p.m.
In the
Yes, sir.
meantime, in the meantime, you do the example.
Okay, sir.
And we call off.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.